In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to unblock someone on Facebook. To unblock someone on Facebook, you click on the menu button, you scroll down, click on settings and privacy, you click on settings, you scroll down, you click on blocking. Here you see the list of people you've blocked on your Facebook. Anyone you want to unblock, you just click on the unblock beside it. And if you want to block another person, you click on the add to block list. For example, you click on it, then you search for the person's name and you block the person. So guys, that is it on how to unblock someone on Facebook. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.